Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 7th September 2025. Title of Murli. With the powers of determination and transformation, say farewell to the words, reasons, and problems, and become an embodiment of solutions. Bap Dada said, along with bidding farewell to the old year, you must also bid farewell to the old world's habits, old sanskars, old nature, and old ways of living. For this, strengthen the feet of courage. Make your feet of courage so strong that even Maya itself may tremble, but your footing should never shake. Always remember, your title is World Benefactor, World Transformer. First, bring transformation within yourself and within your Brahman family, because it is rightly said, charity begins at home. For this, two things are essential, the power of transformation and the power of determination. Now, end carelessness. Do not look at others. Further, Baba said, the work of Maya is to come, and your work is to be victorious. Even till the very last moment, Maya will not stop coming. You must become an embodiment of solutions, end the causes, whether the cause is within yourself, within your companions, or within the organization. But in the dictionary of Brahmins, the word cause should not exist. The word problem must be transformed into solution. Finally, Baba said, always keep the power of determination and the power of transformation as your constant companions. If anyone gives you negativity, transform it into positivity. Have mercy on souls who are under the influence of weakness. Be compassionate. Be benevolent. Do not get angry. Do not show arrogance. Let there not be even the slightest bitterness in you. Blessing for today. May you be a constantly powerful soul and constantly have love for the Murli of the Murlidhar. Details are: the children who have love for this study, that is, for the Murli, receive the blessing of being constantly powerful. No obstacle can remain in front of them. To have love for the Murlidhar means to have love for his Murli. If you say that you have a lot of love for the Murlidhar, but that you do not have time to study the Murli, the Father would not accept that, because where there is love, there cannot be any excuses. This study and the love of the family become a fortress in which you remain safe. Slogan is, mold yourself to every situation and you will become real gold. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. When you sit to have powerful, volcanic yoga, use the power to merge everything else in a second. Let all thoughts of service also become merged. Have so much power that, as soon as you say, stop, you are able to put a full stop. A powerful brake has to be applied, not a weak brake. If this takes longer than a second to do, it means that you are weak in your power to merge.